Chinga kiechio morai osemo gavana we county ya Kisii Moske Paul Simba Arati ni gwaboririe etaro elia ekorawa na baria bagopinga serikali akarweka ase orogongoro Gusii ebe yo morembe na teba eyokorama.
I'm saying that, respect commands or calls. When you're going to somebody's place, just, notify them that indeed I'm coming there, my brother, we're coming. Therefore, for Gachagua, either welcomed or not welcomed, he is welcome to come to Kisii. Come sell his agenda of one term. If he sells for Ruto one term, he can equally say Simba one term. We see how it goes with the people. Therefore, what we are saying is that it's courteous. If he comes, let him call me, Simba, I'm coming. I tell him, my brother, come. I have no problem. We'll go to lift it to Central to seek for votes. We may not even ask anybody else to welcome us there. Therefore, what I'm saying, anybody from any other corner of the country is welcome to Kisii. Here in Kisii, there is big number of Kikuyus, Kalenjins, Luos, live about Kisiis, Maasais, all tribes are here in Kisii. Therefore, we're welcoming them. But I know there are those ones from Kisii, specifically individuals who think that they can hang on the court of Matiang'i. I'm telling them, it's not going to happen. You must work for the people. We have our own in Kisii, that's Matiang'i, whom I'm supporting. I'm the spokesman of the Kisii community. And being a spokesman of the Kisii community, it calls upon myself, indeed, to stand with the person that I talk on behalf, and that is Fred Matiang'i.